You may not want to be an entrepreneur. Maybe your dream is to become a head chef, manage a hotel, or work in aviation. And that's amazing. But here's something most people don't realize. Thinking like an entrepreneur can help you get there faster and go further. In fact, it might be the one mindset that sets you apart. In every job interview, every promotion, every career step you take. Being entrepreneurial doesn't always mean launching your own company. It means spotting problems and finding smarter ways to solve them. It means taking initiative, adapting fast, and thinking 3 steps ahead. A hotel manager who redesigns check-in to cut wait times. That's entrepreneurial. A chef who turns surplus ingredients into a hit new dish. Same. A flight attendant who turns a stressful delay into a 5-star guest experience. That's the mindset we're talking about. In this course, you'll go on a journey. It starts with a simple idea and ends with a business pitch you'll actually be proud of. You won't need a big budget or a business degree. Just one tool, the lean canvas, a 1-page map to turn ideas into something real. You'll build it 1 block at a time, each one sharpening how you think, solve, and create. You'll begin by learning what entrepreneurship really is and why so many businesses fail. Spoiler, it's usually not the product. It's because no one actually needed it. That's where you'll start, asking, what real problem am I solving? That's when your entrepreneurial mindset begins. Next up, your audience. Who's it really for? Tourists, students, foodies, remote workers? You'll create customer personas, snapshots of real people with real needs. You'll also team up to interview a local entrepreneur, someone who's already made the leap. By now, your business idea, it's starting to come alive. Now it's time to stand out. You'll define your unique value proposition, the reason someone would choose your idea over anyone else's. Then you'll sketch your first solution. Not a full launch, just a first glimpse of your idea. A flyer, a concept menu, or an Instagram post. It's about showing what makes your idea special and getting early reactions. You'll also figure out how to reach your audience through apps, pop-ups, local buzz, or digital campaigns. Here's where it all starts to feel real. You'll work through how your business could make money, how many customers you'd need, what you'd charge, what it might cost to get started. You'll present your progress, share your entrepreneur interview, and get real feedback. This is when students say, wait, I could actually do this. With your idea nearly complete, you'll focus on what success looks like. Is it bookings, repeat customers, rave reviews? You'll define your unfair advantage, something others can't copy. Maybe it's your location, your backstory, or your creative twist, and you'll learn how to pitch. Clear, confident, and professional. Enjoying this journey? If you're finding value, hit the like button and subscribe for more insights on unlocking your true potential. You'll finish by presenting your group's capstone project, your business idea, your plan, your vision. Then you'll pitch your own idea, something that's 100% yours. A cafe, a food brand, a travel app, or maybe just a better way of thinking that helps you lead and shine in whatever career you choose. By the end of this journey, you'll walk away with a complete lean canvas, real-world experience, and a mindset built to lead, build, and adapt. You won't just know entrepreneurship, you'll think like an entrepreneur. And that's a skill you'll use for the rest of your life.